10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
And
F1
we
motor
have
ignited.
liftoff of Vikram 1, India's first private orbital launch
Liftoff
vehicle.
normal.
And we have great views coming from the
Plus 10
tracking
seconds.
cameras. And isn't this quite
P1
something?
tracking.
विक्रम 1 ने अपनी उड़ान भर
P2
ली है।
tracking.
प्रथम चरण का प्रज्वलन प्रारंभ हो
P1
चुका है।
tracking.
विक्रम 1 ने प्रक्षेपण पथ को लांग कर आकाश को भेदने का निर्णय ले लिया है, एक ब्रह्मास्त्र की तरह।
That's very true, Suyash and
S1
Akhil. I am
performance
awestruck
normal.
at the sheer power that stage 1 is producing.
Plus 30
With
seconds.
this, we have two of our major prime mission objectives completed, which was successful ignition and safe tower clearance.
That's right. And we're coming up on max Q now. And on your screens right now are excellent onboard camera views from the vehicle. We've just heard call out that the S2 performance or the stage 2 performance is nominal. This is on your screen on board from stage 3. What you see is the rocket plume and the nozzle and Earth, our home.
What a beautiful view! क्या सुंदर दृश्य है हमारी पृथ्वी का।
S3 performance normal.
We've had call out that the stage 3 performance is nominal. So stage 3 has a propellant loading of 2.5 tons and we've had burnout of the stage 3 motor as planned at
S3
T plus
burnout.
5 minutes. We are approaching another point wherein S3 will separate.
S3 is separated.
और तृतीय चरण का प्रतिकरण भी हो चुका है।
And you see wonderful views of S3 separating. And now we have combined coasting has ended and stage 4 will now coast on its own, guarantees that there is some minimum separation between the two.
Solaris
That-
satellite separate.
And we have separation of the
Scope
Solaris
satellite separate.
satellite and the Scope satellite.
To mission
And we
director.
have reached space, and now comes something very, very interesting. You can see on your screen from on board the cosmic bloom and the micro art. And we have sun rising behind it. It is the dawn of a new space era.